Hey everyone, Holly and I is really excited to share with you some of the prints that we now have matted. She's been working really hard on them. And first of all, we both wanted to say thank you to everyone who has been purchasing prints from me and allow me to take your pictures over the last year or two. But we just want to wish everyone Merry Christmas and show you some of these prints that Holly's been working on getting matted and all that's for sale.
Okay, so first up is the Sea Spray in Serenity. So you can see what it looks like once it's in the matte. This is Sunset Sanctuary. Dockside Dusk. I will say that's probably been one of the most popular prints ordered. This is the Calm Before the Day. This is one of my favorites. A New Day, A New Path. It's another favorite. Lost in the Depths. Pastoral Silence. That is probably the one that's been ordered the most. This is Lily of Tranquility. Okay, Whispers of the Waterway, and I have this one coming in a really big picture for my wall.
What size will it be?
The one that I've ordered, I think, is a 20 by 24. Sunset in Full Bloom. This is another one of my favorites. Nature's Quiet Beauty. Perch of the Harbor. This was captured at Sailboat Bay, so many of you know how special that place has been to us through the years. Curious Coastal King. We have Unraveling the Old. Do you want to tell the story about the way they
Yeah, we were at the state park here at Lake Shelby, and the birds were out that day. And just for the record, all of my photos are not AI; they're my actual photos that we took in our travels. But this bird, this pelican, was up on a perch and was pruning its feathers, and I just thought it was just a really neat composition for the subject to be able to capture that moment that he's actually taking that oil from his feathers and working it into them. That's actually what makes them waterproof.
Okay, this is Crimson Perch. We have a couple of other pictures of redbirds that I will post. Cardinals that I will post too that we can also have printed. This has been a very popular print of his. It is the Silent Stare. So all of these prints that we just showed you are 8 by 10 prints, but they're matted to 11 by 14 frames. And then these two are 11 by 14s matted to a 16 by 20 frame. So it's the same picture, but in a larger format. And here is the Silent Stare. So we're placing another order this week. So if you will let us know if you want any prints, any sizes. I've also had a request for some 5x7. So if you want a 5x7, if you'll just message me and I'll see what it will look like, that picture on a 5x7, and it will be matted to an 8 by 10 frame. We appreciate all of you who have ordered, all the messages and the calls, and we will get these out ASAP. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Merry Christmas.